Uh,
Hey, welcome to Energy Heats show. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use this water bottle and how to blow it up using the air particles pressure you learn in air pressure. I'll just show you. Just watch. So make sure it's capped nicely. Make sure you twist it. Right in between though, that's the key. Right in between, twist it. See there's pressure here now, build up, and then you just get a little bit, and then a little bit, and then boom! See that smoke? That's one. And another one for you. See, make sure it has to be in between, that's the key. Twist it, keep on twisting it. And like that, see? There you go. Turn it, keep on turning it. There you go! See? The second one. One more for you. Okay, let's see. About twisting it to see. Oh, crap. Too much pressure on it. Twist it. Alright, look at this one. This one's gonna be a bomb like. Oh, this one didn't go actually. Alright, so my show is over today for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. The link is on the bottom below. Thank you. Bye bye.